Okay, so this, look how red my nose is. Oh, awful. Yeah. Okay, so everyone, I'm doing a video on the makeup that Vivienne wore in Drag Race UK. If anybody watched it, you would know that the finale, she looked unreal. So I was just sitting watching and thinking, I don't look like that. Why am I not nice enough? No, so I am going to try the makeup. I will insert a photo. Yeah. So basically it is like a really glam, dragged out kind of look because she's a drag queen. Yeah, so it's like a dragged out smoky look with a silver glitter kind of thing. I haven't really used silver glitter before on my videos, I don't think anyway. Yeah, I haven't really used it before because I'm not really big into the silver glitter, but here's a little change today. So let's get started. And yeah, I still look like I have eyeliner on from yesterday. I do. What are you gonna do about it? First, I'm taking my CYO Brow Sculpting pencil and I'm just gonna fill in my eyebrows with it. And then the other side, I'm gonna brush up, blend that all out. Ooh, got a bit of hair. Bit of hair. Next, I'm going in with my P. Louise base and I'm just going to shape out my eyebrows with this and then pat it all in all over the lid. And I love this base because it covers up all the hairs that you desperately need waxed, but just getting me annoyed waxing. So just pat that all in. Covered those tired eyes. Now whenever that is all blended in and it's looking very different for my skin, I am going to go on to the eyeshadow. Right, so I'm going to use a little bit of tape to put the side of my eyes. I just use normal tape, not going to lie. Put it at the back of my hand just to take off the stickiness. And then right in the corner, going up towards my eyebrow, stick it on. Then I'm going to go into the Urban Bible palette and I'm going to use, ooh, it'll open, Oath, Prophecy, and maybe a little bit of this one, which is Savior. Firstly, I'm going into Oath and putting that right in the corner. It is super dark. Maybe this was too dark for me. And then I'm just building up that colour all around my crease and then gently doing clockwise and anti-clockwise motion. And taking a big fluffy brush, I'm going into Prophecy and putting that right over where I've just blended up. And then gently blend that up as well. Now going into Savior, just blending over the top of Prophecy. Ooh, it is very dark, very dark. Now going into the Sub-Zero palette, I'm using Babley as the highlighter for underneath my eyes. I thought I kept on hearing like a spider or something, but it's actually just my sellotape hitting off my hair. Ugh. I think, anyway. Yes, it is. It's every time I blink. Now, I'm not going back in with Oath because it's very dark. So I'm going into Prophecy again and doing my second layer of that. I'm going back into Savior. Oh, that is mighty dark. Mighty dark for me. And what else am I looking? I'm looking my base. I feel like I just lose everything all the time. Oh, it's right in front of me. Going back into the P. Louise base, it's still the same shade, shade 2. And I'm going to cut the crease. And then I'm going to take Prophecy again and just blend that in. And then a wee bit of Saviour. Now for the glitter. It's super, super glittery. I'm going to take this Stella Perlina liquid glitter. I'm just going to put that all over where I've done that cut crease. And before that dries, I'm going to start adding in the glitter. So I'm going in with Barry M Glitter Rush. It is in Moonstone. Oh my god, this is so goddamn sparkly. Holy crap. Oh my god. This is crazy. That is insane. I'm taking my usual Maybelline gel liner and a little winged liner brush. The glitter's still showing through, but I don't care. I like glitter. I want it to be sparkly. Right? I suppose now comes, has it worked? And yes, it has. Hello. Yay. Okay, I'm just finishing up. No? So I'm just going in with Prophecy and putting that under the lid, go off and do this eye, and put on some lashes like usual, and then I'll be back to do the face. See you soon. Now using the Infallible Magic Essence drops, I'm going to put that all around my face and blend that in just for a primer. It brightens up the face, and yeah. Now I am doing a voiceover because I have an audience behind this camera. Now taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette, I'm just going to cover up my spots. I have a video on this and I will link that below for you all to view. And of course covering up that big red nose which I shown at the start. It was red, like extreme. So now taking the L'Oreal True Match foundation, it's in the shade Golden Beige, and putting that all around my face. Don't think I really need to explain how to put on foundation. You just cover up all the whiteness and you're good to go. The Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette again, I'm basically using all the colours. I'm using the brown, the darkest brown shade for the contour, and then the lighter brown shade for all around the face, so like the forehead. Then taking the lightest colour, I'm using that for under the eyes. So for all the brown shades in the contour, I use my foundation brush. It just blends it out a lot better. And then for the blusher and the concealer, I use a beauty sponge to beat my face. Now taking the RTMA No Colour Powder, which I always use a small brush to do under the eyes or anywhere I put concealer, and then a big fluffy brush for the rest of the face, just to set everything in place and make it all matte. And just a normal nude, it's like a pinky kind of a nude lip liner. Not too sure as to what it actually is. I think it might be L'Oreal, like most of my products. And the Freedom Pro Melt lip gloss, it is in the shade nude as well. So I like to use the Hoola Benefit bronzer just because it's more cool toned, and I put that right on where I would normally do contour and then blend it up. I'm taking the NYX matte bronzer and it is in deep tan, and then I'm just going to go all around my face and over my cheeks as well because it's more warm toned, so it gives a nice warm glow. For blusher, I'm using this pink So Ava blusher and just putting that on my cheeks. Then going into Made It and Babley out of the Sub-Zero palette and putting that on for highlighter. Yeah, looks nice. I forgot to do an outro, so just have slow motion Debbie posing a little, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!